For homes that heat their water with electricity, Energy Star certified high-efficiency heat pump water heaters can save the average family about $250 a year. They use 50% less energy than a standard electric water heater. They work like a refrigerator in reverse by taking heat from the air and transferring it to the water tank year-round. And because of this process, properly located and installed heat pump water heaters can actually dehumidify the air as well. They last up to 10 years, and they're a smart investment. These units may cost more up front than standard electric water heaters, but the savings in energy costs make up the difference in about 3 years. If everyone buying an electric water heater this year chose an Energy Star certified heat pump water heater, the reduction in greenhouse gases would be equivalent to taking about 1.6 million cars off the road. Right now, Energized Connecticut is offering significant discounts on these units. So, when you're ready to replace your home's water heater, ask your professional installer about a new Energy Star certified heat pump model. Because after all, the value of having an energy-efficient home isn't always just about saving money. To find out how you can get started, visit energizect.com or call 877-WISE-USE. Energized Connecticut, empowering you to make smart energy choices.